Hello again. What's Causey cooking tonight? We're gonna make some pizza in the cast iron. The star tonight is called Carbquik. Okay? This is a product that has 90 fewer carbs than your leading brand of regular flour. I'll prove it to you. Check that out right there. 2 net carbs. So we're gonna try it and see what happens. We're gonna add 1 egg white from a strained egg, a little bit of water, some basil, oregano, hit it with some salt, hands. We're just gonna work this dough. And what we want is something that has the consistency of Play-Doh. I know you all know what Play-Doh is because I'm pretty sure most of you have all ate it at some point. So that's what we want. The consistency of Play-Doh. There. Not bad. All right, we gotta wait a couple more minutes and then I'll pull that out of the oven and we'll make the pizza. Let me go through some of the things we're gonna put on this pizza. Obviously, got ourselves some sauce. Fresh grated mozzarella. The meat tonight's gonna be Italian sausage. We got some black olives, yellow bell pepper, onions, olives. So let's pull this thing out of here. Oh, whew. Oh, it's nice and hot. So take a little bit of olive oil, put it in the bottom of the pan. Roll it around. Take our dough. You're just going to flop it in the middle right here. You might hear it sizzle a little bit. We're just going to start pushing it out. Keep your hand wet so it doesn't stick. Okay, once that's done, we'll add some sauce. Spread it around. Cheese. Oh, too much cheese. Actually, can we really have enough? I don't think so. So let's put it all in here. Spread that out a little bit. Oh yeah. All right, let's put it back in the oven. That's gonna cook 500 degrees about 15 minutes, okay? So let me get you on board again with this Carbquik, okay? I'll read you some of the stuff. It says it has 16 total carbohydrates, but 14 of those are dietary fiber. So that's where you get the 2 net carbs. Boom, right there, 2 net carbs. You can do a lot of stuff. It says you can make biscuits, which I've done. Pizza, waffles, and pancakes, which I've done. And there's a whole bunch of stuff you can make with it. Try it out, you might like it. So, step away, maybe grab a glass of wine, and we're gonna let this cook for about 15 minutes and I'll get back to you. It's been about 15 minutes. Let's check on this pizza. Oh, hot. There we go. Look at that. Oh yeah. Let's get it out of here. Get ourselves a plate. Slice. A glass of wine. So let's try it and give an honest review. Whew, hot. Pizza tastes great. The crust, it's not like your cracker thin crust, but as far as pizza goes, I think it works out pretty good. Holds up, doesn't fall apart. I think that'll work. Again, Carbquik. So, if you like this one, like, share, subscribe. Till next time.